Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix photo disappearing issue on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library, scroll down and click on file manager. After click on files manager, so you will see click on download, so you will check download files and check hidden files, so click on zip and archive file, so your zip and archive file is showing here. After watching hide and archive file, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again go to app library and click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on this three dot icon and click on recently deleted items. So you will check recycle bin. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Moto's disappearing issue on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.